how to recover 1 or 4-year-old WhatsApp messages. If you want to recover very old WhatsApp messages, then first of all you need to check few things and do 2-3 steps. First of all, open your WhatsApp and go to the settings, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, go to the chats and go through the chat backup and check if backing up is turning on or not. If it is turned, then it will show loading sign. If it is not turned, then you cannot recover your old WhatsApp messages. But if it is turned on, then simply press hard on your WhatsApp application and remove app, and then again reinstall your WhatsApp, and you will have your all old messages in your WhatsApp application. All your old data will be recovered. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.